Renovating a character home doesn't have to be daunting. With this project, we'd previously renovated the upstairs area, so a lot of the colour palette was already set. To start, we began to identify the room's requirements in terms of floor and walls and shortlisting what would work best for the space. From there, it was time to start planning and selecting furniture and soft furnishings. In styling this property, I wanted it to match with the rest of the home but also look contemporary and bright. We splashed out on some extra detail in the ceiling to reference the traditional features upstairs, and we also found and repurposed the French doors, allowing us to create a connection to the outside and that outdoor lifestyle synonymous with Australian living. The contemporary styling and furnishings really help to open up the space and keep it feeling light and airy. Your home is a reflection of your personality. Have fun with it, and if you do run into trouble, you can always ask for help and finish your dream renovation.